Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech City. Today our topic of my video, how to host a local website for local network. Part 2 of this topic, important considerations. Security. Be aware of the security implications of hosting a website locally, especially if you are making it accessible to other devices on your network. Performance. Ensure your computer has adequate resources, CPU, RAM, network bandwidth to handle the website traffic. Dynamic content. If your website uses databases or servers side scripting, you will need to configure your web server to support these features. Port forwarding for access from outside the network. If you want to access your website from outside your local network, you will need to configure port forwarding on your router. This video demonstrates how to set up a local web server and host a website on a local network. How can I host a web page locally? Keep in mind, number one, if you DHCP on your local network, you will want to exclude some IP address from the DHCP range on your Wi-Fi router. Or 24 answers and top answers. Are you talking about running web servers locally to serve web content? To why? How to hosting web page for just the local network? How do you make a web server accessible to local? More results from www.reddit.com. Local hosting. How to host a website on a local server. Step 1, set up your local environment. Step 2, configure the server. Step 3, set up your website file. Step 4, create and manage database. How to host a website for beginners. Set your own servers. So you have just created a website but you are not quite sure how to publish to online. In this guide I show you how to host a website. Make local website available to all devices in local network. One setup Apache virtual host. Virtual host must listen to your private IP, not local host. Find your private IP using in config command in terminal and look for how to host a website locally but with .com domain. And how do I deploy my website on my office network? More results from stockoverflow.com. How do you host a website locally in your personal network? You can host a website locally on your personal network by setting up a web server like Apache or Nginx on your computers. Configuring to 5 answers. tap top answers. Ankit has encouraged Super through his association how to host a website locally on your computer. I hope you like my information. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.